Let me guide you on how to trade crypto arbitrage trading with small capital, and you can reach actually to this amount I'm holding here. This is 13 million. You can see you can start with the 200 USDTs and you get to that amount. Persistency, discipline, and knowledge is key. So watch this video to the end and learn on how to trade crypto arbitrage trading with bots and also manual trading. So this video is for educational purposes. It is not for financial advice. Do whatever I'm doing and you will be a profitable crypto arbitrage trader. So if you want to join my free classes, just go to the link where you are watching this this video. Go to my Telegram channel, no this one, whatever channel group or whatever you are watching this video, just go here and open the browser, use open browser. Click on open browser, then you join my Telegram channel for free classes. So we are starting our trade with 13 million. Let me refresh. That's $100,000, and we are using runquilly.com to trade crypto arbitrage trading. And I'll just give you something small on how to trade with these bots and make profits with arbitrage trading. So you can trade manually, and I did a video on how you can receive direct to your Binance account or any other external wallet. For example, if you sell here, you can receive your funds in your external wallet, so you don't have to withdraw, you don't have to pay the gas fee, you don't have to do anything. That has no gas fee. Remember, P2P should have gas fee in the trading. So you do that, you dodge the gas fee part, and you can receive internal and then you withdraw very easily to your external wallet. Otherwise, you can trade with the arbitrage bots. The bots are here. Like this bot is running in profit. It is called the Flash Arbitrage Pro Bot, trading between Binance and Kraken. I've done so many videos with this bot. The win rate is 358. This is the live spread. The two platforms. The pair which this bot is trading is BTC stroke Ethereum, running for only 5 minutes. Expected profit is 575, and maximum risk is 100. So the minimum you can trade with this bot is 200. That has explained the whole thing, how these bots are working, how arbitrage is working, how you can join my classes. And if you want to fund your account, just come to deposit, then you click on USDTs, then you click on continue, enter amount 1000 USDTs, then you click on continue, you copy the address, go to your Binance. After going to your Binance, go to assets here, assets, then you click on withdraw other exchange, then you withdraw to your exchange. Make sure you attach the screenshot here after your external wallet releases your funds to Runquilly. So that's how it is to make profits with arbitrage trading. We'll make a live trading, we make some withdrawal and everything in real time. So make sure you join the other class, and I'll explain everything on how to make profits with this arbitrage thing. So that's it. Let's meet in the next video.